Hey everybody, Mike McGroarty here. This is Mitzi. Say hi to the camera, Mitz. So Mitzi doesn't do any work at all, but she likes to come to work and go for walks and things like that. She's not very patient about waiting around and stuff. But today she's with me mostly because I had a bunch of running around to do. She loves to ride in the truck. So today, to make a real quick video, this may appeal to a couple people, not that many, but people come here and they're like, Mike, what is that crazy tank hanging from the telephone pole? So basically that's my diesel fuel tank. It makes it very, very easy to fuel up the tractor. It holds 13 gallons, so I don't have to keep running back and forth to the gas station with a gas can. But it's empty, so today's the day I gotta get it down and fill it up. So this is kind of a how-to, how I go about doing that. So let me put the pup away in here. Buckle her in her seatbelt. So for those of you who don't know, because I didn't know this till very long ago, this thing is called a soft shackle. It's a pulley on a nylon rope. Sometime when I wasn't looking, the world quit using chains and they started using these heavy nylon ropes like this. And I started watching a channel on YouTube. It's called Matt's Off-Road Recovery. These guys go out and they pull all kinds of vehicles out of really strange places and they do a lot of off-roading and stuff. But anyway, and he's got like the world's largest off-road record, which is a just absolute awesome machine. But anyway, I saw them using these soft shackles, which is way easier than what I've been doing. So anyway, I got to get that tank off of the pole, throw it in the truck and go get some fuel and then come back and put it back up there. So I'm going to kind of walk you through how I do that, so in case anybody is interested. I gave my heavy ladder to my kid because I thought I didn't need it. So that was awkward because I didn't have the ladder set up, and that ladder's too flimsy, and I gave the really good one away. I hate to ask for it back, so I might have to buy a decent ladder. Don't tell my wife I was on the ladder, because if you do, then we can't be friends anymore, because she already thinks I shouldn't be on a ladder. But I looked around and I only got a dog and 2 donkeys and me here right now, so I guess I was the winner. All right, I'm gonna go get some fuel, get that thing filled up, bring it back. Well, it's extremely heavy. You know what? Before I had an ATV, I used to do this with ropes and a block and tackle. But as Billy Joel would say, that was when I wore a younger man's clothes, because that got pretty hard to do. All right, let's get that out of the truck and back up on the pole where it belongs. All right, so that part is done. The fuel tank's full, it's hanging on the pole. I can fill up my tractor, and now apparently I got a hot date with a broken winch to try and figure out why that thing's not working. So wish me well. Until next time, stay inspired.